A family from Maine where their business required them to own a truck, a diesel truck. There was blowing snow and they used their truck to plow their driveway and the neighbors around them in the Kittery area. The weather was getting worse, with the temperature dropping, the frigid snow was rising, the kids were at school and the buses stopped running, the roads had become impassable. The parents were scared. What were they going to do? Their truck is old and in need of repair, it was in no condition to make the trip 5 miles to the school. Luckily a friend of the family worked for Diesel World Truck Sales and used one of their trucks for the week while on vacation. When he was contacted by Mr. Smith to see if he could help out, he was happy to come to the family's aid and pick up the kids from school. The family was so happy they purchased that very truck from Diesel World as soon as the snow stopped, and they were able to travel to the dealership. They got a great deal, and even traded in their old useless truck. Financing was a snap and they got a low interest rate, from the credit union. So if you're in need of a used diesel or gas truck, call Diesel World Truck Sales today at 603-382-3380 and become one of their satisfied customers, where they service what they sell.